Can you please read the statement?
I do solemnly, sincerely and truthfully declare and affirm that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Can you confirm if you approached the van outside yesterday, which you were not supposed to go to, and consumed a smoothie?
Not entirely.
You didn't entirely consume it?
I didn't entirely walk up to the van, no.
Did you fly to the van?
Sorry, did I what?
Did you fly to the van? Did you run to the van?
No, I didn't run
Did
to
you
the
jog
van.
to the van?
Can I ask where this is going?
We're trying to prove whether you did or did not consume items from the van that you knew you were not to do.
I don't remember.
Can you
call
read?
my next witness.
Can you read the statement in front of you
Again,
again?
I do solemnly, sincerely and truthfully declare and affirm that the evidence I shall give shall be the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
And are you telling the truth?
Can you confirm your name?
Natalie Parkinson.
Can you confirm your location yesterday afternoon?
Bradford city centre somewhere.
So yesterday you were in and out of the main building numerous times. Can you tell me the sorts of things you were doing when you were outside the building?
Walking, getting my steps up, talking.
Did you eat or drink anything?
I remember having some drinks.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you confirm what those drinks may have been?
Water.
And
Coffee.
Did you have any juice? or
quiet in the
smoothies?
court.
From
Juice.
juice. And could you tell the court where you got that juice from?
I think someone gave it to me.
Yes. Was that someone inside a silver van? Cast your mind back. Remember, you are under oath.
I'm colourblind.
Silver.
So
Shiny.
maybe,
You were told you were not to go to that van. Why did you go to that van?
I think someone told me to.
Don't blame peer pressure.
Someone told you to. Do you do everything that people tell you to?
Yesterday was an off day, so I guess I felt a bit vulnerable. So, and I think things really got to me, and my mind feels a bit mushy, and I can't remember.
But you do remember consuming juice. And you're being adequately vague around the colour of the van. Is that not for your own convenience?
No.
I remind you, you are under oath.
Yeah.
I rest my case.
Now the prosecution calls witness B7. I did it.
Can you read your statement for the court?
Oh, yeah, sure. I do solemnly, sincerely and truthfully declare that I affirm that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Thank you. Can you confirm for the court what your name is, please?
Mrs. I did it.
Okay, Mrs. I did it. Right, Mrs. I did it. Can you explain your movements yesterday afternoon in Bradford, please?
Yes, so I was out and about in Bradford, and I was in the city centre, and I was with a load of people. There was some entourage there. There's some kind of filming going on, and yeah, just really, just enjoying my day, really. It was good.
Did you see a silver van?
Yes.
Do you know what that silver van was doing or selling
Yes.
or giving away?
So, to my knowledge, it wasn't selling anything. It was giving away free drinks
Okay.
to cast.
And they were just for the cast, or could you not differentiate?
I believe so, yeah.
Right. So, could you tell me when you saw our defendant and what the defendant was doing at the time?
Well, she was looking around. She looked very suspicious to me. I saw her walk right up to the van.
Did you hear her say anything?
No.
Okay, so what happened when she got up to the van?
Well, I just saw her just get a drink in her hand.
Do you know what drink that was?
I couldn't see from a distance, but I definitely know that somebody gave her a drink from that van.
Was it in a glass container?
No,
So you're not sure, but she definitely got a drink from the silver van.
she did. I saw it with my own eyes.
With your
Honest to
own
God.
eyes. Thank you very much.
Thank
No
you.
more questions from the prosecution?
Oh.
Now calling Mrs. Phillips a drink. Please read the statement.
I do solemnly, sincerely and truthfully declare that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Mrs. Phyllis, a drink. Can you confirm your occupation?
Well, I work in a drinks van.
Okay. Do you own the drinks van?
Yeah,
Right.
it's mine.
Thank you. Can you confirm the location of the drinks van yesterday afternoon?
Yes, I can. BD7 9BD.
And what types of things were you doing in the drinks van yesterday?
Well, I was serving cast members for our film production.
And were you contracted directly by the production team?
Objection in the court.
Can you confirm, were you contracted directly by the production team?
Yes, I was.
So you're given strict instructions about who you are to provide drinks to.
No, not at first.
So when did you get informed about who you were to give drinks to?
About afternoon of day 2.
Okay. Did you see the defendant at any point yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Could you tell me what you saw the defendant do?
Well, I just know that it was really busy and we had a queue full of people and, I just served everybody really.
So, did the defendant approach you for a drink?
I think she was just among the crowd and I think I served her.
Did she ask you for something specific?
It's a bit vague. I think a hot chocolate.
A hot chocolate.
No.
Did she consume the hot chocolate in front of you at the van, or did she take the hot chocolate away?
I do remember her saying, give me 2 minutes. She ran over to the other drinks thing. I don't know what I saw her doing there, but 10 minutes later she came back and the drink was ready. I just gave it to her.
And when you gave her the drink, what did she do then?
She necked it in 3 seconds.
And
And
what?
she threw it in the bin.
And at your van.
At my van, yeah, because she used a hand gel as well.
And she's. Thank you. No more questions from the prosecution.
Judge and jury. Jury, have you reached a decision yet?
We find the defendant guilty.
Natalie Parkinson, you have been found guilty of the charges brought to you by this court. It is now my duty to pass sentence. You are a habitual criminal who accepts arrest as an occupational hazard and presumably accepts imprisonment in the same casual manner. We therefore feel constrained to commit you to the maximum term allowed for these offences. You will go to prison for 5 years.